Mahal's working late tonight, so I decided I'm going to try build her a cake.
Build her a cake or something.
And I'm going to use my rice cooker. So this one's the butter pecan, super moist. So I got it going. I'm gonna let it do its thing. I'm gonna come back out. I got my big toothpick and I'm gonna stab it in there and check if it's not good. And I'll keep doing it until it comes up dry. Let's see how this goes. Okay, I don't know if this can actually even come out nice. It looks puffy enough. Like, we'll see. Nope. Oh, yep. Look at that. Well, when I was making it, it seemed to kind of go and kind of was working a little bit, but then it didn't. I'm going to see how this works in the oven. I'm going to clean this out. I'm only going to do one half in here. The other cake I'm going to cook in here, but put it in the oven and try it out. I have a feeling like this rice cooker is pretty old and it's not doing it. When I originally bought it, I was able to, I tried to bake a cake and it did really nice. It worked and I was like, wow, this is awesome. I should have made a video of it. And so now I'm trying to make a video and nah, it doesn't work. So you can already see too, like I was testing it like 1, 2, 3, 4, like 6, 7 times. I poked in with the toothpick and it was just coming out raw. And I was like, oh, yeah. So I was unplugging the rice cooker to try to let it cool down and put it back and then set it again. And it was kind of doing it, but it wasn't really working. But like I said, when I originally did it, it kind of worked. So anyways, I'm going to try the second one in the oven and then we'll put this thing together. I'm really having my doubts because I think this cake will be better that I used the pan we cooked in the oven, but I thought I was being clever by, oh, I'm gonna cook with this pan. Why don't I just mix it as my mixing bowl? But then I forget I should have sprayed the bottom with oil so the cake would pop out easy. We'll see. Give it a little shove at the bottom. Maybe that'll be enough. Pop out. See. Oh, I probably didn't think I even need to do that. But there you go. This one I used just the cake tin. And then I'm gonna have another one. Oh, I don't know. Maybe I'll just make 2 cakes. Okay, well there you have it. This one was done in the oven. It was really good. If I got a big knife, I'm gonna cut that other one. And make some cake. Oh, there definitely is a size difference. Oh, baby. This rice cooker spoon's been gonna go good for so many things. Well, as good as I can do. I think this one's still warm. I don't know if I should wait a little while longer to. There it is. It's okay. I'm gonna bring a piece to Mahal now. Or ever try. I don't know. I don't know whether I consider this a fail. I really do think this rice cooker has had its already day. But you can see the definite difference between this one and the one I did in the oven. This one rised up nice and was really good. Same cake mix, same everything in the rice cooker. It's like very heavy looking and whatever. Anyways, I tried. I had fun. It was all good. Thanks. See you again.
Don't mind.
Okay, crazy hair. It's okay.
Don't mind my spoon. Good.
It's the only one was in there as a measuring spoon.
I think I have to wash the dishes again. Okay. So this the one that
It was the rice cooker one. And I used the rice scooper to paint the icing on.
It's heavy.
Yeah, it does. It looks super heavy and thick, but
Okay. I wanted to cut the one that's in the oven.
okay. Ah! Man, I'm bad. Now there's icing on the... Oh no. Oh no. Uh-oh. I think I should have let it cool longer. one's definitely softer. Uh-oh. My original plan was to try and make a double decker like a real cake. I'm realizing you shouldn't have put this in the fridge. I was trying the icing out. And that was a mistake, so I'm going to leave this out. But now, I'm going to get another slice for Mahal of the oven cake with the sad icing job. Come on, baby. Wow. See, this one looks good. It's nice and airy. This one's like super heavy. I'm gonna make her use the same spoon. And it's still warm.
This one is very, very soft. That one is super hard. Yeah, I have this one.
Yeah, so it's the same cake, just one was baked in the oven and one was in the sad rice cooker.
Mm-hmm.
So the oven was good. Yay!
Mm-hmm.